Good morning, everyone. Jesse Webb, TradersPro. Let's look at where we're sitting on our buy-sell ratio as of Friday. Again, this data is updated after the market's closed, so we can look at that and get updated information. Know that we're updated as of Friday. So going into this week, we're still looking at this, a positive buy-sell ratio, which down here on this bottom, you're going to see this number right here. It's 1.71. As long as it's above 1, then this green line is above the red line. So that's still bullish. Some bullish characteristics here as far as breadth, but not by much because it's almost flat. We saw a pretty decent sell-off here the last couple of days with some of the Fed's shenanigans that they've got going on. But we're still just slightly bullish, so we need to keep an eye on that. Watch to see if we hold any support at these levels. As far as direction alerts long term, still sitting in that mildly bearish bear market state, which is probably going to stay for some time. At least this bear market signal, that's a real slow moving trend, and we're a long ways down at this point. So we could have quite a move up, bear market rally, and still not turn that positive. And in terms of our shorter term signals, momentum now is just stuck in this range, kind of this shorter term range in between these two extremes, but it has been moving a little bit higher. That overall direction has been moving, this direction with this rally. So this pullback, the question is going to be, is this pullback going to start to find some support right here, or are we just going to continue to slide? I think some of these earnings that are coming out may help be the catalyst for that. Breadth, also the same situation, is we're just kind of stuck in this indecision zone. Sentiment is still quite good, so there's not a lot of fear in the market even with this most recent selling. So we'll see what that portends here in the next couple of days. Sentiment also sitting right in the middle of that trendless area. After this uptrend, a little bit of a pullback. So we'll see if we get maybe a push higher here that may take us up into one of these extreme ranges. We'll see. One of the things that I was looking at this morning is actually going here to sectors and then commodities, and noticing that steel has had a pretty decent run here just Friday, from hold back to buy after kind of a breakout pattern, starting to trend here, retracement, support, and then a good strong solid bar right there. It's got some potential resistance there and may need to pull back just a little bit, but for the commodity to be getting that strong of a move right here, one place to look is going to be steel stocks. So if you go into the sectors and then you go back to your sector scan, under consumer staples, or basic materials right here rather, you've got steel producers, you've got specialty steel. You can click on those and take a look at some of those. So there's several that are in there, steel producers. You can take a look and see which ones are the highest ranked. Steel Dynamics, obviously in a real strong uptrend, has a similar type pattern. So you're seeing some of these real strong stocks, and these are going to be a good place to start to look for that group of stocks. They all look really similar, and these are all setting up in that buy profile that we're looking for. So keep an eye on some of these steel stocks today, and that potentially could be the trade for this week, and maybe for the next little shorter term in a swing trade. Thank you very much. Have a great day.